Hello, Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Azam Ahmad bin Daud. My meter number is 09DJK20F2005. Okay, today I would like to talk about mathematical language to express mathematical ideas and argument precisely, concisely and logically in calculus for x-axis and y-axis. In common usage, the abscissa refers to horizontal x-axis and the ordinate refers to the vertical y-axis of a standard two-dimensional graph. The distance of a point from the y-axis scale with the x-axis is called abscissa or x-coordinate of the point. The distance of a point from x-axis scale with a y-axis is called ordinate. For example, if xy is an ordered pair, then what is the ordinate here? An ordered pair is used to denote a point in a Cartesian plane, and the first coordinate x in the plane is called abscissa. The distance of a point from y-axis scale with the x-axis called abscissa or x-coordinate of the point. In mathematics, the abscissa and the ordinate are respectively the first and second coordinate of a point in a coordinate system. Abscissa means x-axis horizontal coordinate. Ordinate means y-axis vertical coordinate. Usually, these are horizontal and vertical coordinates of a point in a two-dimensional rectangular Cartesian coordinate system. An ordered pair consists of two terms, the abscissa horizontal, usually x, and the ordinate vertical, usually y, which define the location of a point in two-dimensional rectangular space. Next, the abscissa of a point is the sign measure of its project on the primary axis, whose absolute value is the distance between the projection and the origin of the axis, and whose sign is given by the location on the projection relative to the origin, before negative, after positive. The ordinate of a point is the sign measure of its projection on the secondary axis, whose absolute value is the distance between the projection and the origin of the axis, and whose sign is given by the location on the projection relative to the origin, before negative, after positive. Okay, next I would like to talk about x-axis and y-axis in architecture. When you work in a plane view, you are employing two-dimensional drafting in this mode. The x-axis is horizontal and the y-axis is vertical. The x and y-axis meet in the lower left corner, an area usually called the origin. On the graph, the coordinates of this spot are called 0, 0. If we move up to the right along the x-axis and y-axis, we are moving in a positive direction. If we move down or to the left, we are moving in a negative direction. The following illustration details both the x and y axis. Okay, next I would like to talk about mathematical solution with drawings. The question is, if R is the region bounded above the graph of the function fx equal to 9 minus x to power of 2 and below by the graph of the function gx equal to 6 minus x, find the area of region R. Okay, this is the solution. This is the graph that I already made. This graph shows the region below the graph of fx and above the graph of gx. Okay, for the next step, we first need to compute where the graphs of the function intersect. Setting fx equal to gx, we get fx equal to gx 9 minus x to power of 2 equal to 6 minus x. Next step is 9 minus x power of 2 equal to x power of 2, 4 equal to 6 minus x. we get 36 minus x power of 2 equal to 24 minus 4x. Next, we get x power of 2 minus 4x minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, finally we get in the bracket x minus 2 in another bracket x power of 2 equal to 0. Okay, next the graph of the function intersect when x equal to 6 or x equal to negative 2. So we want to integrate from negative 2 to 6 since fx bigger than gx for negative 2, smaller than x, x bigger than 6. We obtain a BA. The formula is fx minus gx dx. Next, 6 negative 2 in bracket negative 9 minus x 2 power of 2 6x dx. We get 6 negative 2 3 minus x power of 2 4 plus x dx. Finally we get 3x x power of 2 12 plus x power of 2 2 6 negative 2. The final answer we get 64 divide 3. The area of the region is 64 divide 3 units power of 2. Okay, so for the conclusion. In the conclusion, x and y axis are the axes used in coordinate system. They form a coordinate plane. The horizontal axis is represented by the x-axis and the vertical axis is represented by the y-axis. The point where the x and y-axis interact is known as the origin and is used as the reference point for the plane. Okay, lastly for the Q&A session. First question is, what is x-axis and y-axis together called? The second question is, what does it mean when the x-coordinate or y-coordinates of a point is 0? Okay, last question is, what is the x-axis horizontal? Okay, for the answer for the question 1 is, they are together called as coordinate axis, which is axis is off axis. Okay, second question is the origin. The center of the coordinate system where the lines intersect is called the origin. The axes intersect when both x and y are 0. The coordinate of the origin are 0, 0. On a graph, for the question for number 3, on a graph, the range of the independent variable is measured along the horizontal axis and for each value, the resulting value of the function is plotted vertically above the horizontal measurement. Hence, the horizontal axis is named the x-axis and the vertical axis is the y-axis. That's all for me. Thank you.